This is like a motivation for all beginners. Maybe you want to start a Facebook page, a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, and you are like, how do I start? How do I go about it? What should I do? I don't have iPhone, because some people will tell you that iPhone or nothing. I've heard somebody said it on this app that you must get an iPhone for you to have good quality. Is a lie. If you know how to use CapCut very well, edit your video. See, there are a lot of things you need to learn. So first of all, for you to be a content creator, you need to be creative. It is very important. You have to learn to be creative, because when you are not creative, you are not a good content creator. You have to be creative. You need to learn how to improvise, so that little beginning, you won't feel it too much. Do you understand? When I started my YouTube channel, I did not have a microphone. Yeah, I did not have a microphone. So I'm going to show you the microphone I bought. And it's not like it's the highest of the highest. No, it's still something that is okay. That's what I'm using now. So this is the microphone now. This is what I'm using. And the pack, K9 wireless microphone. So it's a double mic. You understand? So I decided to go for this double one, because there are times when I will have a guest, or there are times when one will be weak and the other one will be charged, so I can make use of that one. So start from where you are. You have a phone. Even though your camera is not too clear, there's a way you will edit that video on CapCut. Don't worry, one of these days I will do a video, a tutorial on how you can edit your video. I will do the before and the after. You will see the difference. I know how many people have been asking me, what camera do you use? What camera do you use? Because of the way I edit the videos. Yeah, my camera on a norm, my camera is okay. I use Redmi 13C for my video. The camera is okay, yeah. But I still need to edit it so that the video will come out beautiful and fine. Do you understand? So learn how to use CapCut. You have to be creative. Now let's talk about not having a tripod, because that is one thing that also make people to delay their content creation. They'll be like, I want to get a mic, I want to get a tripod. Like I told you before, when I started, I did not have a mic. Not too long I bought this mic. So that is it. Now let me show you what I use as my tripod. How I do my videos. Let me show you. Sometimes if you see me anytime I'm creating videos, you'll just be laughing. You'll be like, this girl, so is she all right? I'm all right. I'm trying to create something. That is all it is to be a content creator. As time goes on, all those things that you don't have, you'll be getting them little by little. The reason why so many people get frustrated on this YouTube and on Facebook is because when they are about to start, they pack all their money, all the savings they have, they pack it and they use it to buy everything they need for content creation. They will buy ring light, they will buy everything. And at the end of the day, they will post video. Before they will see 30 views is a problem. So they will start feeling bad, and you will see them come to YouTube, they will start ranting, they will start saying everything they want to say and saying YouTube is not for everybody, YouTube is not a good platform, they don't promote my videos. Do you know why they are feeling frustrated? It's because of the expectation they had. They thought that when they have iPhone, when they have this, when they have that, that is what will not make them go viral. No, there is a lot. You will see that the same video that you did, the same topic, everything the same. Somebody else did it and the views are not the same. One person will go viral. That is it. The more you will say you want to understand YouTube, the more you will get confused. That is one thing about YouTube. So just do your thing and leave the rest for God. Do your part. Do your video. Do everything you need to do on that video. Upload it and leave it for God. Just leave it. Do your part and leave the rest. Do you understand? So let me show you what I use as my tripod. This is what I use as my tripod. So you look at this place, my phone is hanging, and then I will sit here. This is where I sit. I will sit here, and that is how I got this background. So guys, can you see this? So this is what I do. So guys, sometimes when there is sunlight here, I look for another way to improvise. I look for another place that I know is okay, and I do my video and I film. Don't you guys enjoy my video? So that is one thing I've learned about all this content creation. You have to be creative. Look for a way out. Some of you cannot do your video outside like this because of the noisy environment that you stay. You can do it inside your room. Yes, I don't have a ring light, and if you check down my videos, you will see that I have videos that I did inside my room. Yeah. And how did I do it? I don't have a ring light. I use, all these torch lights now, all this lamp that we normally buy, white light and the rest. That's what I use. Do you understand? So just learn to be creative. Learn it. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. And even though your phone is not too loud, let's say your phone is not too loud, don't worry about that. It's nothing to be worried about. Say I need a mic because I want it to be very loud. Even if you don't have the money, what are you not going to do? Will you keep delaying the time? Will you keep delaying? Will you keep waiting for time that will not wait for you? No, you need to start. Yeah, start. So you can always increase the volume of your video using CapCut. Yeah, all these things, they are there. And how do you, yes, that reminds me, I'll do a video on the best and easiest way you can learn video editing. I'm not an expert when it comes to video editing, but I know that I am trying. Do you understand? So CapCut is there to help you. If your video is dark, CapCut is there to brighten it. Do you understand? So all this. Let's talk about background. Some people will say their background is not fine. It's not fine. Thank God for fake background now. You cannot do your video using a fake background. Yeah, that is it. Or some people will say my environment is so noisy. There are children in my compound. This and that. There is, and I also did a video on it already. Go and check my channel. Just check my videos. You will see it. Or how you can remove background noise from your videos. Yeah, it will remove it totally. So guys, there is no excuse. Which way you want pass come now? Tell me, let me tell you the solution. So start with what you have. As time goes on, you'll be able to get all those things that you need. Because the more you delay, the more time is going. Do you understand? So just start, so that you can start learning. It's a process. Yeah, it's a process. So I wish you all the best. In case you've already started a YouTube channel, I want to wish you the best. You already have a Facebook page. I wish you the best. And for those that are yet to start, I also wish you the best in advance. Yeah. So it's not content creation is not easy, but you need to keep pushing. Above all, don't forget to be consistent. Don't forget to trust God for the process, and I wish you the best. That is all I have to say. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope I've been able to encourage somebody today. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share to somebody that you know needs to see this, and don't forget to like. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.